Naimbag nga malam kinyayo, first Ilocano WOTD for the month of October. And our word is Ayan. 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 Sa mga Tagalog speakers, for Tagalog speakers, kung mapapansin nyo, pareho ang pronunciation sa Tagalog word na ayan, which means there. For Tagalog speakers, if you guys notice, the pronunciation is different. I mean, the pronunciation is the same with the Tagalog word ayan, which means there. But our Ilocano WOTD means where, or in Tagalog, saan. Pero ang ating Ilocano WOTD, ang ibig niyang sabihin ay where, o sa Tagalog ay saan. Let's have examples. Let's have our examples. Ayan na. Ayan na. In Tagalog, that means asan siya, or nasaan siya, where is she, or where is he. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating Ilocano word, ayan, Tagalog, saan, or nasaan, at yung na is the Ilocano pronoun that means he or she, or in Tagalog, siya. Ayan na, asan siya, nasaan siya. Another example is, let's use another pronoun. Ayanda. Ayanda. Da is our Ilocano pronoun that means they, or sa Tagalog, sila. Ayanda. Ayanda means nasaan sila. Nasaan sila? That's all for our Ilocano WOTD. Don't forget to give the video a like if you learned something new today. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and don't forget to hit that bell so you guys get notified if there's a new video. Yun lang. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Ayan na. Ayan na.